Hello viewers, I am Dr. S. O. Kumar, Assistant Professor of English, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana. I am happy to share some of my ideas in this video talk as part of developing video lessons as per the instructions of the CCETS Government of Telangana. Viewers, for the last 1 week or so, I have been presenting my ideas on communication skills, the formula of LRSW skills, and their characteristics, definitions, characteristics, usage, benefits, and all. In this video talk, I would like to take up the topic developing communication skills. Earlier, I made it clear that LRSW skills are part and parcel of communication skills. Here, I want to come out as how better communication skills can be developed. Developing communication skills. Communication skills can be developed through conversation, and conversation. That means dialogue, participating in dialogue with others, conversing with others. Conversing with others always leads to the development of communication skills. Listeners, viewers, let me make it clear. In my earlier videos, I made it clear what are communication skills, what are the characteristics of communication skills, what is the formula of communication skills. That means LRSW skills and all. In this video, I want to make it clear that communication skills can be developed first of all through conversation or dialogue participation or participating in the dialogues. It is very clear and proved practically that only good conversation leads to good communication skills. That's why in the present day, modern day syllabi of language subject, conversation or dialogue practice or dialogue development activities are prescribed. So, converse with your family members, with your siblings, with your friends, with lecturers, with classmates, everywhere, here and there, as far as possible in English language. Then thinking, another important activity that goes into the development of communication skills is thinking. But think before you say. It is also a saying. It's a very popular saying that one must think before one proceeds to say something. So thinking, conversation, and of course practicing with YouTube videos and apps in English. In the Google Play, if you type simple English conversation, English dialogues, or in YouTube, if you type like this, as I just said, you will get number of video lessons or number of apps in the Google Play Store. And with the help of them also, you can develop very good conversation. Conversation in the present times is very, very, very simple, and everywhere it is possible for most of you. I can say that about 70 to 80% of you have smartphones. If you don't have, at least for that purpose, for 10-20 minutes you can borrow from your friends. So these are some of the best methods of improving communication skills. Best ways and best means. Then daily speaking. Another important activity that goes into the development of communication skills is daily speaking. If you speak daily, of course, in the beginning you commit more mistakes, but it's a good indication that if you are committing more mistakes, you are going to learn good English, more language. So speak daily, speak daily, speak daily, at least for 20, 30 minutes with your siblings, neighbors, friends, classmates, etc. So daily speaking. These are the best methods of developing communication skills. Conversation, thinking always about certain aspect, certain, for example, present COVID problem. You think about it and you frame some sentences and you share these sentences with your neighbors or those who are around. So that is also a good way of, good means of, good practice of developing communication skills. So conversation, thinking and practice with YouTube lessons or apps in English and daily speaking are some of the methods of developing communication skills. Then conversation is possible by recording your voice. Yes, these are also some of the methods. Now with the help of smartphone, there are so many features in a smartphone today, and you can record your voice, you can listen to your voice, you can edit it, you can, by listening to your own voice, you can improve within a short time. Within 2-3 weeks of time, you can improve your conversational skills or communication skills. Then record your speeches. Yeah, you write some speech, some 1 or 2 paragraphs, then you record them and you listen to them, then you share your speeches, you ask for feedback from your friends, others, family members, siblings. So that way also you can really develop good communication skills. So watch and record videos, WhatsApp audios and other such things. All these are available these days. These are all the modern means. Just in your palm, the touch of finger, you can open all these. You can do all these things. So the only delay is just touching your phone pad with your finger. And I'm sure at the touch of your phone pad, you can do all these things. So why delay? Start doing. Right? Start doing. Listen to TV bulletins in English. Yeah. This is another good thing, good practice, good means. Always listen to TV bulletins in English language. I understand, even in some Telugu channels also, certain, I think in the evening hours, 1 or 2 channels are also playing English bulletins. For example, news bulletin at 9 or 9 p.m. in some TV, I think it is playing English news. So by listening to that for some time, at least 1 or 2 months continuously, so you can develop good communication in English language. So record your voice, record your speeches, watch, record videos, WhatsApp audios and all. Prepare them, share them, and request for feedback so that you can improve and all. Then listen to TV bulletins in English and all. So these are some of the wonderful means and methods. Then surround yourself with English speaking persons. Yeah, the another best thing. Always try to have or try to be with people who try to speak in English, or those at least have some desire to speak in English. So surround yourself with those kind of persons. Try to see yourself that you are among certain people who speak English. Lecturers, friends, siblings. Yeah, you can motivate others, your friends, your siblings, at least whenever you happen to meet. This is not a daily practice, daily hobby that is going to be possible, but at least. But with lecturers, of course, when classes are resumed, you can now and then at least for 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes, you can go and request the lecturers, your concerned lecturer, and start speaking in English. so that you can request the lecturer to mend it or to correct it. So lecturers, friends and siblings, these are all the crucial players in developing your English language. Then ask questions, listen carefully. Yeah, sometimes you ask questions in the classroom with friends, siblings and all. Listen carefully to the answers. You also share your answers, your feelings to the questions. It's also a kind of conversation. So all these go a long way in developing your communication skills. Then practice with apps. Yeah, again and again I'm saying, again repeatedly I'm saying, because this is the best and modern available method. Everybody has got cell phone, and in cell phone if you open this Google Play Store, you get number of apps in English language, English conversation, English dialogues, English speeches, English grammar, English language, English sentences, like that. If you type, you will get hundreds and hundreds of apps, and you download one of them and you practice for 1 2 days, then delete it and you download another one. So like this you can practice apps with the help of apps and improve your communication in English. Then practice with, yeah, other things. Practice with music and movies. Yeah, in English music, English movies. There are beautiful and very inspiring movies and musical videos in YouTube in English language. Some of them you can, at least a dozen musical videos, or at least 3 4 very good spiritual oriented movies, or nature oriented movies, or good language oriented movies. 2 3 such you can download and watch. So music and movies, they also develop a lot of communication skills in English. So practice with them. Read aloud methods. Yeah, there's another method called read aloud method. Whenever you get something, some essay, some story, some such book or your textbook, sometimes you read aloud. By reading aloud, you get to know how you are speaking, how you are producing the sounds, whether you are producing right accent or not. So that way also you can correct your language. So read aloud methods and talk to yourself. Yeah, sometimes you should talk to yourself. If you find nobody, your sibling, your friend or any other, you talk to yourself sometimes. Yeah, that is also. Go to a lonely place or see that others don't think that you have gone mad. Take care in that aspect, because if you talk to yourself, most of the others think that, estimate that something has gone wrong. So say to yourself that you must take care in this aspect, but always better within your own uh, house. So talk to yourself and listen to good speeches. Yeah, the YouTube or in the uh, internet, right? You listen to good speeches by eminent personalities like Abdul Kalam, right? Vivekananda or Gandhiji, or some modern speakers like Abraham Lincoln, right? There are many modern speakers. For example, that Nageshwara Rao, Endamuri Virendranath, right? So listen to those speeches and you can develop wonderful communication. So these are other methods: music and movies, read aloud methods, talk to yourself, listen to your good speeches of eminent personalities. Then you must also develop mental mapping. Yeah, mental mapping, dream, sleep, eat and all. Then strong hobby of reading English stories, books, etc. Develop that hobby and desire to change your language. Yes, you should develop these. They are most important. Mental mapping means always dream about developing communication in English. Always dream, 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 sleep, eat English, sleep English, dream English. And within 3-4 months, you can develop wonderful English, beautiful English communication skills. That is called mental mapping or emotional involvement also. Strong hobby of reading English stories, books, poems, essays, articles, etc., newspapers, etc. Desire to change your language. This should be there. This desire should develop in you. You should think that you should change your language and you should develop good English language as some of them speak or do. So these are some of the things that you should develop. Then develop communication for what? Develop communication for change. Change. You must change. See, change is the daily quality of the world. It's a hallmark of the world. It changes every day. See, 15-20 years ago there was no internet. 30 years ago there were no computers. 40-50 years ago there were no what can you say, these cameras and all modern cameras that we are using. So change, you should also change. While the world is changing, you should also think that you should change. This change is possible through wonderful communication. So communication for change, develop communication for change, develop communication for knowledge growth, develop communication for personality growth. Yes. Why change? Why you should develop? Because you should develop good knowledge. Why you should develop good knowledge? Because you should develop good personality. Personality means not this 50, 70, 80, 100 kg body and all. No, personality means excellent communication skills, excellent knowledge levels, excellent mannerisms, excellent characteristics, excellent features of your knowledge and all. So that is known as personality. Personality growth, knowledge growth, and better placement, job, destiny. Yes. Why you should change? You should change and develop for better placement, better job, better destiny. Destiny means the great position that you achieve in your life. For example, Satyanarayana La is now Chief Executive Officer of Microsoft company, which has about 8 lakh employees all over the world, and his position is highest position in the organization next to the managing director or chairman, that is Bill Gates. So that is destiny. He studied in Hyderabad. He completed BTech from engineering college in Hyderabad. But see now, he is commanding such a world's biggest software company, Microsoft. He is the boss for 8 lakh employees. That is destiny. So destiny, change, develop for destiny, good destiny, great destiny. Then develop communication for, even if you, of course, for most of them destiny automatically develops, but at least you should develop progress and happiness, right? This progress and happiness are simply possible with good communication. It's 100% proved and established. So develop communication for change, knowledge, personality, placement, job, destiny, and finally, of course, for progress and happiness in individual life, in your domestic life, in your social life, or in professional life if you get a good job. Then students, before I conclude, I just want to recollect. In this video talk, I have talked about the ways and means of developing communication skills, how to develop communication skills, what are the best means and practices to develop communication skills, how you can develop with the help of your surrounding environment, friends, videos, internet, WhatsApp, apps in Google Store, and your family members, friends and all, and by reading and by practicing and by listening and by recording videos. And why you should change your communication? Because you should change your communication for good job, greater destiny, greater happiness, greater progress. All the best. Good luck. Thank you.